Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. On today's tutorial, I'm making a quick last minute DIY gift idea. This crocheted small bouquet in a frame is a perfect gift idea for your loved ones and look amazing on your decks as well. This can be made so easily with a minimum investment. I got this frame long time back. It has a little pop-up wooden frame and I always wanted to make something out of it. Then I got to know from Pinterest about this crocheted flower in a frame and I decided to try it out. So before starting, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like the video as well. So I got this 2 colors of yarn and some wooden sticks, or for an alternative you can use wires as well. Let's make tiny flowers. So I'm using 4 mm size hook. Make a slip knot first, then add 3 chains. Now we will make 2 double crochets on the first chain we made like this. Yarn over and pull out your yarn from the very first chain like this. And again twice. Make 1 more double crochet. Then 2 chains and 1 slip stitch on the first stitch again. So this is 1 petal of the flower. You have to repeat the same process and make as many petals you want. Start again from the chain 3 followed by 2 double crochet, then chain 2 a slip stitch. And so I made 1 flower with wool and 1 with a thread just to compare which one will look good on the frame. The process is same, the hook size is also same. So at the end of 5 petals, I have this tiny flower. This one made with thread and this one with wool. So I like the thread one better. It looked more clear on the frame. So I'm gonna go with this one. Make around 7 and 8 of them. Totally depends how big is your frame is. Cut the wooden stick according to the frame. Some will be longer, some will be shorter. Then cover them with a green color yarn, like this. Now all our products are ready. I added some white color flowers too. I also wanted to make 2 leaves on the sides to complete the bouquet. For that you need a wire, and actually without the wire also you can make because it's gonna be stick to the surface anyway. So just follow the process and ignore the wire if you do not have one. Now with the green yarn, make a slip stitch and chain 10. Make more if you have a bigger frame. Then pass the wire from the top chain like this. Now make half double crochet into this 10 chains including the wire. So the wire will be in between all the time. Once you reach the bottom chain, bend the wire like this and make half double crochet with this side of the wire this time. On the first chain, make 3 or 4 in the same chain to create the band. If you feel this is confusing just by looking at it, just try it out once and your half problem will be solved then and there. So after you finish, just make a simple knot in the end and your tiny leaf is ready. Now for the best part, you need a ribbon, also a glue gun or whatever glue you think will work. Now I forget to mention the whole material list at the start of the video. I will definitely link all the products in the description below. So now start assembling all the products together. Start with the ribbon first, glue them and arrange them. So after all, just to add some little more details, I'm gonna add some pearl beads to the flowers. So that's it. Your beautiful frame is ready. I hope you like this idea and comment down below to let me know. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.